Welcome back to Casual Fitness Seekers. For today's product review, we'll be looking at the SKLZ Slidez Stability Disc, these guys. This product is for outdoor and inside use. For an indoor version, check out the video link above. This product is all about its versatility in being able to be used on various surfaces and also helps the individual target multiple parts of the body utilizing a low impact method. The SKLZ Slidez are a great tool for novice, recreational athletes, professional athletes to work on building core strength with a variety of movements. Alright, let's look at some of the features. This product comes with its own travel bag that is made from a mesh fabric and has a drawstring opening for quick access. The material that is used on the back of the disc is not only very durable, but allows for low friction on virtually any surface such as turf, hardwood floors, courts, pavement, carpet, polished cement, and tile, to name a few. Now that we have looked at the bottom, let's check out the top. The SKLZ Slidez have a large ergonomic surface tread that provides comfort and non-slip grip for hands or feet while using with unique design that reinforces omnidirectional movement and also has an integrated fastener that allows this to be clipped together for bilateral training. These attributes allow for this piece of equipment to be used creatively. The price tag on this product can range from $30 to $40. So in conclusion, the SKLZ Slidez do hold up to the claim of being able to be used on virtually any surface, and that is a fact. However, a word of caution. The more rugged the surface, the greater the impact on low friction surfaces that can cause scratches and rough spots to the finish. Compared to other cheaper discs, the SKLZ Slidez add unique features that make them a good buy, if you don't mind the $30 to $40 price tag. However, they are not a must buy. This was the SKLZ Slidez Stability Disc product review. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them down in the comment section below, or reach out to us on one of our social media platforms. That's on Instagram and Facebook. That's casual_fitness_seekers. Now, if you like the video, please hit the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of the upcoming videos. It should be floating around in this area right here. Okay guys, make sure you stay safe and we will see you next time. Casual Fitness Seekers out.